Have you ever invested money in real estate? Have you ever invested money in mutual funds or SIPs or LIC, anything? Definitely, you might be doing it. But do you know what is the best investment you can do? Watch this video further, you will get the answer. I was suffering from a mindset, a disease called mediocrity. This disease may not be written anywhere in the medical book, but I have learned it from my mentor, Dave Gadvi. And until I met my mentor, I discovered one thing, that I was going on a haphazard way. I was not knowing where to go, what to do in life. I was living a comfortable life with my job, salary, loving wife, and a notorious son. But I was not knowing where to go. Why I am doing this, whatever I am doing. When I met my mentor, when I read his book, 80% mindset, 20% skill, I gradually started learning about why. During that process, I started to know that the biggest investment that you can make is building your character. Whatever money you have, whatever things, the luxury feelings you have, can go away suddenly due to any mishaps that can happen. This corona time, it cleaned off many of the biggest businessmen ever. You don't know whatever is going to come back, and all those money, that materialistic things, that can fade away all of a suddenly, and you might put yourself in a shock situation. So during such situation, what is the best investment that you can make? I invested in myself in last few years, and I built a powerful character. The character which cannot be stopped at anything. We get stopped, but has built a character to fight against this mindset and grow. Even if you take away money from me, even you take away all the luxury things from me, but you cannot take away my mindset, my skill from me. And that is the thing that is not going to stop me from in any situation. And I can make out of it anything that I want, depending upon the actions I take. So I hope you might have got your answer. What is the best investment you can do? The best investment you can make is investing in yourself, developing your skills, developing your implementation skills with the knowledge you already have. The transformational knowledge, it is no degrees are required for the transformation knowledge. It is just like how you learn to ride a bicycle. Like riding a bicycle, in theory you can explain step-by-step process that you take care, hold on to the handle, you get on the seat, you put your one leg on one of the pedals of the cycle, and then you give a pressure on the other side of the pressure, and then the cycle moves forward. This is a theory. But have you learned theory before riding the bicycle? No, it's just a practical knowledge that you're incorporated in your subconscious mind, and you learn how to balance your bicycle. So these skills are simply like riding a bicycle, and you do not need any degrees of your life. So the best investment I recommend you to do is in yourself, your development, your mindset development. Because whatever things you do in your life, maybe it's from riding a bicycle or to starting a big business, the thing needed is you need to win in your mind first, and then physically out there. With that note, thank you for listening to me. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share, because your one share can transform millions of lives out there.